Hello student, welcome back in another video of class 9th science biology. In last video we discussed about the structure of chromosome, diffusion and osmosis. Now we deal with cytoplasm. Okay, cell components are divided into three parts. First part is cell covering, cell wall, cell membrane. Then we discuss about nucleus. Now in this video we discuss about cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. What is cytoplasm? The liquid part of the cell is known as cytoplasm. In this cytoplasm all the cell organelles are abundant. Okay, for example mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, these kind of cell organelles are abundant in the cytoplasm. If we remove all the cell organelles from the cytoplasm, the remaining structure is known as cystole or hyaloplasm. In last video we discussed about this. So let we start cytoplasm. Cytoplasm was discovered by Kolliker. Very important. Who discovered cytoplasm? Kolliker. Okay. It is the site of both biosynthetic and catabolic pathway. Biosynthetic and catabolic pathways. Many substances are synthesized in the cytoplasm. So it is now a site of biosynthetic and catabolic. Many chemical reactions are also occur. For example, glycolysis. Okay, respiratory system, the aerobic respiration or anaerobic respiration, one common pathway is there. It is called glycolysis. Okay, glycolysis also occur in the cytoplasm. So catabolic pathway is also cytoplasm. It can be divided into two parts. Okay, first is cystole. What is cystole? When cell organelles are removed from the cytoplasm, the remaining part is known as cystole. Aqueous solution part contain various fibrous protein. Only fibrous proteins are present in cystole, forming cytoskeleton of the cell. Cytoskeleton of the cell is made up by cytosol. Now second part is cell organelles. Second part is cell organelles. Living part of the cell having definite shape, structure and function bounded by plasma membrane. Okay, in cytoplasm many cell organelles are abundant. They are definite shape, structure, function bounded by plasma membrane. Now one by one we discuss about all the cell organelles which are abundant in the cytoplasm. So first cell organelles we start today. Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Okay, here mito means thread, thread like. Okay, chondrion means granule. Thread like granules are known as mitochondria. It is a rod shaped or shoe shaped structure found in cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cell. In prokaryotic cell mitochondria is absent. Mitochondria like cell organelle structure is present in the prokaryotic cell. This is called mesosome. Okay, mesosome. Except mammalian RBC. In mammalian RBC cell organelles are absent. Nucleus is also absent in the RBC. So mitochondria is also absent in the RBC. Red blood corpuscles. Red blood corpuscles. In red blood corpuscles mitochondria are absent. In plant, in phloem sieve tubes are present. In phloem sieve tubes are present. In these sieve tubes this mitochondria is also absent. In mammalian RBC and sieve tubes of phloem in plant the mitochondria is absent. Mitochondria are also called chondriosome. Also called chondriosome, chondrioplast, plasmosomes, plastosomes and plastochondriani. Plastochondriani. Okay, mitochondria is also known as chondriosome, chondrioplast, plasmosome, plastosome and plastochondriani. Okay, these are some other name of the mitochondria. These are first observed in striated muscles. Striated muscles we discuss in the next chapter, tissue chapter. Okay, in animal tissue, striated muscles. These are also known as voluntary muscles. Why these are called voluntary muscle? Because they are controlled by our willpower. Okay, so they are known as voluntary muscles. Of insect as granules by Kolliker. By Kolliker. First of all, mitochondria is observed by Kolliker. He called them sarcosome. He called them sarcosome. The sarcosome name of mitochondria is given by which scientist? Kolliker. Fleming called them phyla. Fleming called them phyla. Phyla name is given by Fleming for thread-like structures. Altman called them bioplast. Altman called them bioplast. Okay, bioplast name is given by Altman, phyla name is given by Fleming, and first of all, mitochondria is observed in the insect striated muscles by Kolliker. Okay, 3 scientists are here. One more scientist who gave the name mitochondria is C. Benda. C. Benda gave the name mitochondria. Gave the name mitochondria. Name is given by which scientist? C. Benda. Now it is a diagrammatic representation of mitochondria. In this mitochondria is a double membranous cell organelles. Okay, in last chapter when we classified the components of the cell, then I told you that mitochondria is double membranous cell organelles. Outermost membrane is known as outer mitochondrial membrane. Inner wall, inner mitochondrial membrane. Okay, inner mitochondrial membrane is highly projected. Okay, finger-like projections are present in the inner mitochondrial membrane. These projections, okay, these projections are known as cristae. These projections are known as cristae. On these cristae, some stalk particles are present. These stalk particles are known as F1 particles. F1 particles. In these F1 particles, ATP is synthesized. Also present all around these cristae and on other cristae. Okay, these are present all the cristae. Okay, like these particles are present all the cristae. Okay, the liquid part of the mitochondria is known as mitochondrial matrix. Ribosomes are present, 70S type ribosomes are present in mitochondria. Okay, some matrix granules are present, and mitochondria also having their own DNA. It is known as mitochondrial DNA. Between the outer mitochondrial membrane and inner mitochondrial membrane, a intermitochondrial space is present. Okay, inner mitochondrial or intermitochondrial space is present between the outer mitochondrial membrane and inner mitochondrial membrane. So it is a diagrammatic representation of the mitochondria. Now we discuss about function of mitochondria, because mitochondria is known as powerhouse of cell. Why it is called powerhouse of cell? Because ATP is synthesized in the mitochondria. And what is ATP? ATP is the energy currency of the cell. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. ATP full form is adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. So ATP is generated, and ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. So mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of cell. It is also known as storage batteries. Storage batteries, because energy is stored in the mitochondria. Or ATP meals. ATP means the energy is stored in the form of ATP. So it is also known as ATP meals. Formation of ATP is called oxidative phosphorylation. Formation of ATP is known as oxidative phosphorylation. Mitochondria release energy during respiration. During respiration, this energy stored in the mitochondria is released during respiration. Mitochondria contain electron transport system. Electron transport system. In 10th class, you study about what is electron transport system when we study life processes chapter. Then I tell you about electron transport system. Mitochondria also regulate the calcium ion concentration inside the cell. Okay, the calcium ion concentration is regulated by with cell organelle is mitochondria. Last function is these are also seat of some amino acid biosynthesis. Some amino acids are also synthesized in the mitochondria. Okay, so this is all about mitochondria. Who discovered mitochondria, who gave the name of mitochondria, first of all who observed the mitochondria, the structure of mitochondria, which type of parts are present in mitochondria, and the function of mitochondria. Okay student, we revise. In cytoplasm, two parts are present in cytoplasm: cytosol, cell organelles. If we remove the cell organelles, then it is called cytosol. Now we discuss cell organelles. First is mitochondria. Mitochondria is observed by Kolliker. Okay, Fleming called them phyla. Okay, Altman called them bioplast. C. Benda gave the name of mitochondria, and these are the function of mitochondria. In next video we discuss about next cell organelles like chloroplast, Golgi body, and endoplasmic reticulum. So thank you student.